Welcome to our step-by-step guide on securely hanging a disco ball. Whether you're gearing up for a party or just adding some sparkle to your room, follow these steps to ensure your disco ball is safely and beautifully displayed. First, gather your materials. You'll need a disco ball, a chain, and a string. Step 1. Locate a strong beam in your ceiling, ideally one that can handle a bit of weight. This will serve as the anchor point for your disco ball and keep it secure, so be certain it's sturdy or use a stud finder. Step 2. Attach the chain to your disco ball. This step is crucial. Ensure that it's securely fastened to avoid any accidents. Double-check the chain connection before proceeding. Step 3. Lift the disco ball using the string. Tie it properly and make sure it's tight. And that's it. You've set up your disco ball to light up the event or bring a unique ambiance to your space. Just flip on a light and enjoy the sparkle. Thanks for watching.